just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwood smoking, I don't know papers, pass that 808. So today basically I'm gonna be replacing the rotors. Dante, little Dante. It's alright, it's alright. He's a cut too. They call me Dante. Anyways guys, like I was saying, today we're gonna be replacing the rotors and the calipers. And I did go with a more affordable yet not so affordable company. Went with these slotted brakes. These are power stop brakes. You guys can see there. Those are the slotted brakes. Excuse me. And then these are the red calipers that are going to be installed today. And it should be a pretty fun little project. So that's what the final results should end up looking like. Or should end up looking like. It looks sick. Oh, not to finish all three. Shout out to my mechanic. It's gonna look shit. I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwood smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shake her. Oh bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it below. I got bitches kissing bitches. So right now I'm basically just removing the back caliper off. And once both sets, front and back, get removed, we're gonna bleed out the brakes. Let's go see Fat Boy's side. Let's go see how he's doing. Sick. Did you make that in prison?
Yeah, I hit it with my butt.
Andas valiendo.
Yo, what is up guys? We're out here somewhere at a truck meet. Hidden location, not really hidden, but we are out here with the guys from HST. We'll get some of these guys' trucks, see if they want to, and see what the we got going on. So that was pretty much just like a little B-roll of the members from HST. We're just probably gonna go walking around and see some other builds, see what they got. all over you. Fatboy 5.7. That thing's sick. Guys, so there's actually someone in HST. Hey, itty bitty though. Jesus Christ.
It's a stock V6.
It's a V6, guys.
I want to see inline 4 real quick.
This truck is a straight up sleeper right here, guys. That thing's sick. Damn. I kind of want to race this one. Alright guys, we made a quick stop to Mexico. And I guess they're gonna do some runs out here. We'll see how this goes. I'm pretty hyped. So we have a Sierra versus a Ford long bed. We don't know what this guy with the Ford has, but this 4A is pretty much just on the tune, stock block. But I'm